So hello guys, I am back with another video, and this time I am going to show you guys how to make my modular park. First you're going to want to start with a 32 by 32 green base plate. It's a nice spot to start with any modular. Then you're going to want to place a 1 by 8 light gray right here in the corner. And you're going to want to place another one right beside it. Now here's the fun part, placing a bunch of the streets. Probably will fast forward this, so bear with me. Okay, now I think I got done with the boring parts, so here we are back again. You're going to want to take a 1 by 4 light gray smooth, place it here, and you want to place another one of them. While we're at it, we'll place just another. And if you want to, you can place another 1 by 4, but I like to put some spots for my minifigures to stand, so I am going to put one of these new 1 by 4 with 2 dots on the side. Don't know if that's probably not the right way to say it, but place that there. And should look like this. Then you're going to want to place a 1 by 3. If you don't have one of those, you can substitute for a 1 by 2 and a 1 by 1. Place one of those there. And then you're going to want to place another one above it. You can substitute if you don't have them. You're going to want to place another 1 by 2. Actually, you know what, I just probably did this wrong. I'm going to place a 1 by 6 here. Then a 1 by 3 here. A 1 by 2 here, pardon me. Going off a picture. And then you're going to want to place 1 by 3 here, and then another 1 by 3, and a 1 by 2. Then to fill this gap, you're going to want to place a 1 by 1. So now you've got this nice design. Which we will fill in with the dark gray. So yeah, now you've got this pretty cool design for your nice little inverted corner modular. Speaking of which, this is the modular, so we're going to need these. They can be in any color. I prefer gray, light gray. It seems to fit in nicely with the other parts that I'm going to use. You're going to want to place this one 9 spaces away from it. Messed up a little bit there. So then we're gonna, sorry about that guys, we're gonna have to place some more here. Edit this a little bit. Okay, now we got the changes. Now we're going to make a little post. Now we are going to make the post. Now as I destroy this, you are going to have to make 2 of them, so make sure you get 2 of these, okay? Going to need one of these, 2x1s with the things you can attach on the front. Place one of those, then you place just a normal 1x2 on the back of it. 2x2 dark gray, flat. And then you're going to want to have 2 of these. You can choose your color. I prefer this nice medium nougat, like so. And the reason I have that because you're going to need some of these. Stack 2 of them on top of each other. Place them in the front. And then you're going to want one of those jumper plates in the dark gray. Place that on top. And we're going to make a nice lantern next. 1x1 black, flat. Place that like that. Then you're going to want this nice Chinesey hat thing, parabola thing. Place it on top. And to finish it off, we're going to place a 2x2 smooth light gray. So yeah, there's your nice little post. Going to place that one here. It'll be a nice spot to put the connector to the modular. And there's one of your spots to connect to the modular. I will work on the other one next, but right now we are going to make this cute little sandbox. Place it right here. Then we're going to place 2 1x3s light gray bricks right here on the other opposite sides of them. 2 of these, they can be any color. I just prefer black because I have a ton of them. Place them on right here. And then after that, hold up, I messed up a little bit, sorry. We're going to place them like this. Then we are going to place this one. I have another one of those that I had used for the post. It can be any color, so I used red. And this one you have to have it, preferably you want to have this in sand yellow because this shows up as sand. It's actually brick yellow, but Lego logic. Now we're going to want to place one of these. You can modify this. I just have it like this. And then place one of those here. Give it a little texture. Place this like that. And you're going to place that there. Give it more texture. And then place this to make it go back down. Using a little snot on this part, so it's a snot technique, and you should have a nice little thing like this. Place that right there. then we're going to build the other part of the sand right here. Place a 1x6 and then a 1x3, 2x3 and 2x6. Sorry. Have one of the jumpers. This is just basically you can do anything you want with this. Then just place 2 of these on the bottom. You can actually have these 2 any color because they're hidden. Slide that one in there. There you go. Now you can place some stuff on the sides to cover up all those different colors you had. I prefer brown, but you can try other combinations if you have more colors. And while we're at it, why don't we place some jumper plates so we can have the kids sit down. Or we can place this nice little ladybug I had. Now we still have those ugly stuff on the outside, so we are going to place some of these. I thought this color looked nice with it. There it is. Here you have it, your nice little sandbox. Place a little more stuff in here if you want, like a little actual sand bucket, a little toy if you want. And there you have it. Now, I bet you're wondering, this is a modular, where's the other ones? That's what we're getting next. You are going to take a half one of these. It's a 16x32. Place it like so. And we are going to place it right. Okay, if I count correctly, yes, we place it right 1 block away from there, like so. And if you did it correctly, it should work. Now, excuse me as I destroy this. My public bathroom. You guys can take a look at this to make sure you did it all right while I destroy my public bathroom. And here we are. Place one of these here. It's a 2x1. I'm going to flip this around so you can see it easier. Hate to break it to you guys, but I seem to have forgotten how to build this. So I am going to leave it like this. I was meaning to destroy the park anyways, it was the next thing to go. And I am just going to show you the rest of it. Hate to break it to you, but this is how the restroom is going to be. Now on to the other part of the park. Let's just place some other stuff onto here, like the bus stop. And then a park bench. Pretty self-explanatory. Then we take another one of the things that you built previously. Place it right about there. And we're going to want to build the park fence. Use a 1x10 flat and white. Place that down in between those fences. Another 1x1 flat in white, also white. And then we're going to place 1x1 cylinder, another 1x1, and a nice decorative element if you want. I prefer the new ice cream swirl. Place the other one over here. Then place two of these nice fence parts in between. And you've got a nice fence. Now we are going to fill in the spaces, so you can do any color you want. I am going to do it like so. So yeah, there you have it for there. Now we are going to fill in what would be the bathroom area. Sorry about this. Place a couple studs over here. I think my helper has come back. Sorry to not finish the bathroom for you guys. I have seemed to have forgotten how to build it. It's kind of a one-time thing. Now as we fill these in, and I am going to say, I hope you liked the video, even though I didn't show you all of it. And finish it out, I am going to show you how to build this nice little plant. You're going to want to take another one of those larger pole pieces, one of the new plant things. There's a lot of new parts in this one. Place that pole here, and take one of the another new cylinder, like dot with a hole in it. Place that on the top of there. Then you're gonna take another new part, this over here, and place that on the bottom. Then you're gonna take yet another new part, one of those new plant things with plants, and sneak that in there. And yeah, you can place this anywhere on the jumper plate. I prefer to place it nice by the park bench. Sorry to leave the bathroom again, but I hope you enjoyed it otherwise, and hope to see you again. This is the final lookout of the other part. Should look like so. And well, hope to see you guys again, and thanks for stopping by. I hope to leave a like and subscribe, and I am out.